Good morning to all. In today's lecture, we have to discuss again one of the most basic concept of that synchronous machine voltage equation and with reference to the stability introduction point of view. So in terms in this power system stability subject, now we have to discuss the synchronous machine voltage equation. As we all know, the synchronous machine that are generally work on the principle of that magnetic locking. It consists of the different elements like stator, rotor may call this nothing but the field, even the air gap flux is also there. Okay, the stator are generally provided with a three-phase AC supply, whereas rotor is generally provided with a DC supply. While developing the voltage equation of that synchronous machine, we had to make some of the assumptions. Out of that, the first assumption is that what the stator winding are sinusoidally distributed along the air gap as far as mutual effect with the rotor are should be the concept. Means what? The stator winding are should be the sinusoidally distributed. That means what? The three-phase AC supply should be the provided to the stator winding, and the air gap the flux that are produced across that stator winding, it should be the is sinusoidally distributed along the air gap, and so that the mutual effect with a rotor should not be the concern. Okay. Now the second assumption that we have to made while deriving the voltage equation for that the state synchronous machine is that the stator slot are not appreciable variation of the rotor inductance and the rotor position. Means what? जो भी stator slots है उसका जो भी position रहेगा it should not directly impact on that rotor inductance and the rotor position. Number third, the magnetic hysteresis should be negligible. Magnetic flux should be negligible, and the hysteresis flux should be the negligible, and the magnetic saturation should be the negligible as compared to the with reference to the saturation effect on the stator and the rotor winding. Okay, so while deriving the voltage equation, the first was to have to discuss the stator and the rotor circuit of the equivalent circuit of the stator and the rotor of that synchronous machine. In terms of the stator, the three-phase AC supply, that is A, B, C, should be the provided to the three-phase winding of that across the stator winding. Okay, and the rotor direction, that is the flux direction, is should be the inverse one, and the EMF direction should be is nothing but the outward to outward position of that phases. Okay, so again the current action should be the is nothing but the IB, IA, and the IC should be the outward is. With reference to the rotor winding, the DC supply should be provided. That is nothing but the diaxis and the quadrature axis should be the provided. And it's nothing but the EFD should be the outward one, and the IFD and the IKQ and the IDF. IFD is nothing but with reference to the field winding, and the IQD and the QA is nothing but the armature circuit D axis and the quadrature axis armature circuit respectively, whereas K stand for 1, 2 is nothing but a number of armature circuit. Here is nothing but only the one armature circuit is there. That's why it's nothing but the here is nothing but the IKQ and the IQD is there with reference to the phase A. So the angle between the phase A and the IFD is nothing but the angle leads to the magnetic axis of that phase winding electrical in the electrical radian, which is not by the angle of that three-phase AC supply to the with reference to the DC supply of that फील्ड वाइंडिंग दैट इज नथिंग बट द रोटर वाइंडिंग का उसका एक फेज के साथ उसका एंगल कितना रहेगा थीटा. Okay, whereas omega r is nothing but the rotor angular velocity across that d axis and of that rotor winding, having the rotation is nothing but the anti-clockwise is there. Okay, so with reference to this equivalent circuit of the stator and the rotor, that is nothing but the three-phase and the two-phase AC supply should be provided respectively to the stator and the rotor winding. For the single exciter circuit, the induced voltage across the stator is nothing but E1 is equal to d phi upon dt plus Ri, whereas Ri is nothing but the current across that stator winding. Whereas for the coupled circuit, induced voltage is nothing but the d5 upon dt plus R1 plus R2 is nothing but the for the E2 is equal to d phi 2 upon dt plus R2 upon R2. That is nothing but that is a flux is there. flux 1, flux 2. Okay, so while deriving the basic machine equation, mm, of the synchronous machine, the positive direction of that stator winding is assumed to be the out of machine, and the positive direction of that field and the armature circuit is assumed to be the into the machine. Means what? The positive direction of the stator winding क्या हो रहा है? Positive of the armature circuit current is assumed to be the outward of the machine है, whereas for positive direction of the field and the circuit is assumed to be inward हो रहा है. Means what? जो भी current direction है of the stator current का, it should be the outward, and whereas for the positive direction of the field line, it should be the positive field and the armature circuit, it should be the into the machine. Okay. Second, in addition to the large number of the circuit involved, uh, in terms of that large number of the slots on the stator and the rotor windings there, the mutual and the self inductance of the stator circuit vary with the rotor position, complicates the synchronous machine equation. Thus the variation in the inductance or causes the variation in the permeance of that magnetic flux due to the non-uniform air gap. Because here we observed that is that due to the variation in the permeance, due to the number of the slots are there, the mutual inductance across the mutual and the self inductance of that stator and the stator circuit with respect to the rotor circuit, it should directly complicate the synchronous machining factors. So variation in the inductance or causes the variation in the permeance. So variation in the permeance in this path is nothing but the P is equal to P0 plus P2 cos of twice of theta. That is the equation that we have to derive from this diagram. Okay, so while deriving the equation for the stator and the rotor circuit voltage equation, the following nomenclature should be the we have to use, whereas EA, EB and the EC is nothing but the instantaneous stator phase to the neutral voltage, whereas IA, IB and IC is nothing but the instantaneous stator current in the phase of ABC, whereas EBD, EFD is nothing but the field voltage, whereas IFD, IKD and the IQQ is nothing but the field and the armature circuit current respectively, whereas RFD, RKD, RKQ is nothing but the rotor circuit resistance, whereas LAA, LBB, LBB, LCC is nothing but the self inductance of the stator winding, whereas LAB, LBC, LCA is nothing but the mutual inductance between the stator winding, whereas LAFD, LAKD, and the LAKQ is a mutual inductance between the stator and the rotor circuit, whereas LFFD, LKKD, and the LKKQ is the self inductance of that rotor circuit, whereas RA and the P is nothing but the armature resistance per phase and the differential operator, that is nothing but the P d by dt के जो अपन ने P ले लिया, that is a differential operator. So this is nothing but all the nomenclature we have to use for the stator and the rotor circuits to finding out the voltage equation of that stator and the rotor of the synchronous machine. So from that case, we are able to write out the stator voltage equation is nothing but the for the three phase supply is nothing but the EA is equal to d phi A upon dt minus RA upon minus RA into the IA, whereas d by dt की जगह P phi A minus RA into the IA, whereas EB is equal to P psi B minus RA into the IB. EC is equal to P phi C minus RA IC. Okay, so this is nothing but the voltage equation across all the three phases of that stator winding, stator of that synchronous motion, that is EA, EB and EC. In terms of that, the flux and the armature resistance of that circuit and the current of that concerned phase should be the considered. Thus, whereas flux linkage in the A winding at this instant is given as, whereas flux क्या है, flux क्या रहने वाला है, flux linkage across that A winding is nothing but the minus LAA IA minus LAB IB minus LAC IC plus LAFD IFD plus LAKD multiplied by IKD plus LAKQ into the IAQ. So is nothing but the in the addition of that self inductance plus addition of that mutual inductance with respect to the field winding, with respect to the quadrature armature circuit, that is a, and the mutual inductance of that stator windings that is, from that case the flux linkage should be the calculated. So P into the flux linkage of that phase A minus RA into the IA, VB is equal to P multiplied by flux linkage across B phase minus RA into the IB. EC is equal to P flux linkage minus RA into the IC. So this is the stator voltage circuit voltage equation across the of the synchronous machine. रोटर सर्किट वोल्टेज इक्वेशन क्या रहेगा फिर EFD is equal to the P flux linkage across the field winding of the dielectric axis plus RFD into the IFD. So field winding के across field axis, FD क्या है field winding of that dielectric axis. E is equal to 0 P flux linkage KD plus R KD multiplied by IFD, and same for that P phi d plus R KD multiplied by R I K Q. That is the flux linkage across the quadrature armature circuit and the quadrature axis and the direct axis quadrature circuit. EFD is there. That is the rotor circuit का ये voltage equation है. Whereas phi FD क्या रहने वाला है, phi QD क्या रहने वाला है, flux linkage across K axis of that direct axis, that quadrature circuit of that armature circuit of that with reference to the direct axis and with reference to quadrature axis. So phi flux linkage across direct field winding, flux linkage across armature circuit, flux linkage across armature circuit of that quadrature axis. ये that is the equation for that flux linkage. That is L FFD multiplied by IFD plus L F KD multiplied by I KD minus L F AD in bracket of the I cos of theta plus IB cos of theta minus 2 by 30 plus 2 cos of theta minus 2 pi by 3 plus IC cos of theta plus 230 by 2 pi by 3. So is nothing but the minus of 120 minus of 240 is there. That is nothing but a phase angle. ये mutual inductance है with reference to the field winding of that direct axis. तो ये हो गया उसका self inductance. Okay, so ये हो गया उसका rotor circuit voltage equation, and this is nothing but the stator circuit voltage equation. तो स्टेटर और वोल्टेज में डिफरेंस इतना ही है. यहाँ पे अपने को उसका विथ रेफरेंस टू रोटर क्या, विथ रेफरेंस टू स्टेटर क्या इफेक्ट आने वाला है फ्लक्स लिंकेज में, वो दैट यू हैव टू कंसीडर. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्टेटर ओनली द विथ रेफरेंस टू स्टेटर पैरामीटर शुड बी द कंसीडर दैट क्वाड्रेचर एक्सिस एंड द डायरेक्ट एक्सिस का इतना डायरेक्ट इंपैक्ट इस पे स्टेटर इक्वेशंस पे नहीं आता है. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द वोल्टेज इक्वेशन ऑफ दैट सिंक्रोनस मशीन. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we have to discuss the Park transformation of that synchronous machine. Okay, thank you so much.